When your scraper keeps getting blocked, you're not just losing data, you're wasting time, infrastructure, and requests. Here's how to scrape protected websites and stay unblocked using IPRoyal's Web Unblocker. Dealing with anti-bot protections during web scraping at scale usually means adding more moving parts to your scraper. That often includes rotating residential proxies, retry logic, CAPTCHA solving, and constant adjustments whenever the target site changes something. But IPRoyal's Web Unblocker simplifies the entire setup. Instead of managing multiple anti-bot bypass tools and layers of infrastructure, you route your requests through a single proxy endpoint that handles the unblocking automatically. How is this different from just using rotating proxies? A regular proxy rotates IPs, but it's still up to you to handle CAPTCHAs, manage retries, rotate user agents, and mimic human behavior. Web Unblocker handles all of that automatically. While your scraper runs, it takes care of things like rate limits by retrying failed requests with new IPs and browser fingerprints, CAPTCHAs by automatically solving or bypassing verification challenges, IP rotation by routing requests through rotating residential proxies, browser headers and fingerprints by dynamically adjusting request headers, cookies, and browser parameters to mimic real users, and geo-restrictions by selecting IP addresses from the right locations. All of this happens automatically in the background, so your scraper's requests resemble real browser traffic instead of automated bot activity. With built-in CAPTCHA bypass and auto-retry, smart header and IP selection, JavaScript rendering for dynamic pages, and dynamic country selection, Web Unblocker acts as a fully managed unblocking layer rather than raw proxy infrastructure. That makes web scraping without getting blocked much easier, even on sites protected by Cloudflare. And since Web Unblocker works as a standard back-connect proxy endpoint, you don't need a new framework or SDK. It works with any language: Python, Curl, Node, JavaScript, PHP, Java, C#, and Go, so you can plug it directly into an existing scraper. All you need to do is replace your existing proxy endpoint with the Web Unblocker endpoint, and you're all set. But before I show you exactly how to use IPRoyal's Web Unblocker to scrape a protected website, we'll first need to place an order. We'll open the IPRoyal Web Unblocker dashboard and click the Create a New Order button. Let's go with 5,000 successful requests, which gives us a 10% discount, but you can select any amount you need or specify the number of requests starting at 1,000. Keep in mind that you only pay for successful requests, and requests are sold in bundles, with larger ones offering higher discounts. Then we'll click the Continue button. We'll pay using our account balance, but you can also choose to pay with a credit card if you prefer, and then click the Complete Order button. Processing takes just a second, and once it's done, we can go back to the Web Unblocker dashboard. Now that we have access, let's test Web Unblocker in practice. We'll send 2 curl requests to the Indeed website. Both requests are identical except that the second one uses the Web Unblocker proxy endpoint. The first one is direct. So let's see what happens when we send a request to a well-protected site like Indeed without Web Unblocker. Since the request comes from a basic curl client with no browser-like behavior, the site's anti-bot system flags it immediately. As a result, the server responds with a 403 access denied error, which means the request was blocked. The second one goes through Web Unblocker. We copied the Web Unblocker credentials in the username, password, hostname, port format straight from the usage example in the dashboard. If you need a different format for your tools, you can adjust it in the Format section. We'll paste the credentials into our terminal command, and we're ready to go. Now let's see what happens when we send the exact same request, this time going through Web Unblocker. As you can see, the website accepts the request instead of blocking it, confirming we got the information we asked for. Let's examine the response to see what Web Unblocker did behind the scenes. First, we have confirmation that the connection was established successfully. Then the response shows the request was routed through Boston. Web Unblocker automatically chose a US IP address, making the request appear local to the website. As expected, Indeed returned a real HTML page instead of a 403 error, CAPTCHA, or another type of block. The response also includes session cookies, which are normally assigned when a real user visits the site through a browser. This indicates that the request was accepted as legitimate browser traffic. And finally, this tells us that Cloudflare also allowed our request to pass through successfully. In other words, instead of managing rotating residential proxies, retries, CAPTCHA solvers, and browser fingerprints yourself, you can route your request through a single endpoint and let Web Unblocker handle everything automatically. This makes it a great solution for use cases like price monitoring across e-commerce sites, SERP scraping and SEO tracking, market research, ad verification in different regions, and large-scale data collection for AI and machine learning. If you need reliable web scraping without constantly running into blocks, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you integrate Web Unblocker into your setup and keep your scrapers running without interruptions.